field of yellow is 80 years in the making. Let's fly by. From high atop a drone's view, you can see all these Piper Cubs lined up to celebrate 80 years of a legendary design. Welcome to FlyBy, powered by AOPA. My name's Paul Harrop, and we're coming to you from Hartford, Wisconsin, home to Cubs2Oshkosh. It's a gathering of one of the most beloved designs of all time. The Piper J3 Cub tugs at the heartstrings. It's like everything good about life with yellow rag wings. Several dozen Cub owners descended on the Wisconsin prairie to celebrate, visit, and fly. From as far as Canada, Texas, and North Carolina, the little taildraggers looked like saffron flowers on the green grass runway. Pilots, of course, Cubs2Oshkosh lives up to its name by being a stop on the way to AirVenture in Oshkosh, but these aren't the only airplanes flying in. Take a look at what some of our friends and viewers have sent us from their journeys to the greatest aviation gathering in the world. Zach Sweetser found his way to New York City on the way to Osh. Check out this shot around the Statue of Liberty. Here's a snap from some AOPA employees headed past the second city on their way around the lake. And from the Intermountain West, the group flying low and slow to Oshkosh made a tundra-tired trek across mountains and farmland to get here. How did you arrive? Tag us on Instagram via @FlyWithAOPA. And once there's quite a bit to see. The Cubs, of course, are going to be celebrated for 8 decades of service to aviation, but there's also a special tribute to the Apollo astronauts. You can also see a B-52 and 2 Boeing B-29 Superfortresses. Doc and Fifi make history by joining together for the first time in decades. It's going to be an exciting week. You can follow along online via #Osh17. Also, tag us in your stuff. It's @FlyWithAOPA on Instagram, @AOPA on Twitter. We'll look forward to seeing a lot of your content. And speaking of our social media followers, we're having a social media party Wednesday night at Oshkosh. You don't want to miss seeing the night air show with some of your favorite internet friends. That's FlyBy, powered by AOPA. We'll have complete coverage from AirVenture coming up later in the week. That's it from Cubs2Oshkosh here in Hartford, Wisconsin. A big special thank you to our friends at Snap 180 Media for the licensed and authorized aerial coverage from their UAS here in Hartford. I'm Paul Harrop. We'll see you next time.